What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in this cryptocurrency market. Do your boy a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button. Now let's get to it. Hey, folks, we are in a bear market. The bear market is here. We're going to talk about the bear market. We're going to talk about what's going on at this particular point in the cycle. But some of the things that we are seeing, folks are saying that we are in a bear market. We are getting ready to get smashed and destroyed. We're going to talk about that in great detail today. But before we get into those topics of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is at $82,300. Bitcoin dominance is at 60.6%, holding steady like it has been. Looking at the Fear and Greed Index is 25. Fear and Greed Index is 25, still holding in the 20s. We did see it get down to the teens. Ethereum dominance 8.6%, $1,916 for one Ethereum. So let's go ahead and get into the topics. What's going on? Are we in a bear market or are we in a bull market? Have the 4-year cycle been broken or is it still intact? These are some of the things that are being discussed, that are on the table for topics of discussion. So currently right now, the stock market and the cryptocurrency market have been in fear and extreme fear for well almost 2 months straight. Now, this is the longest stretch that we've ever seen extreme fear or fear since 2022. And you guys all know what 2022 was. That was the bottom of the bear market. That's when we were buying Bitcoin for $15,000. And what were they saying then? They were saying folks were, Bitcoin is going to go down to $8,000. So, you have to look at all different types of scenarios and what's going on. March 10th was just about a week ago. We saw the Fear and Greed Index get to 15. That was ground shaking, for the Fear and Greed Index to get that low. So, nevertheless, these are the statistics. This is the information that we know. We always want to wrestle and deal with the information that we know. And then from there, we try to work on and progress towards the unknown. But so are we in a bear market? I see some folks in the comments saying, hey, the bear market is here. It's not a bull market. It won't be no altcoin season. So if this is a bear market, what are your strategy? What are you doing? Are you buying and doubling down since this is the bottom? If this is the bear market, are you expecting it to continue to dip and get lower? Are you selling? You selling your portfolio because you think it is going to get down lower than where we're at now? $83,000, 82,000. We did see 76,000 or 77,000 week and a half or so ago. Are you selling your portfolio? Are you giving up? Do you think this is the it will go below this? Are you tired of losing money? Some folks are selling. They saying I done lost enough. Let me go ahead and sell my position because I can't take it no more. And then you got some folks that saying, you know what? Even if this is the bear market, I'm doubling down. I'm buying. I'm dollar cost averaging in because if this thing pop, like I'm expecting and hoping that it will pop, folks are going to be they're going to be crushed. They're going to be distraught because they were holding on for so long. Then they couldn't wait, and at the last minute, they sold out of their plays. They gave up, and then the market just shot up. And like I say, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you blow it right now, you may have to wait to 2028 to the next Bitcoin halving. That's about 3 years from now, So decisions, you got decisions. You're the CEO of your own portfolio. This is what you signed up for. You signed up to invest in cryptocurrency in the stock market, generational wealth, financial freedom. It's not easy. If it was easy, we would all be set and solid and would not have to work because our finances would be set. But it is not easy. And this is one of the main reasons that folks don't like getting into investments because they can't stomach when things are not going well. When you're investing, you have to be able to ride when things are going good, and you got to be able to ride it out when things are not going so well. Nothing is going to be perfect. Nothing is going to go up in a straight line. That is all part of risk taking, all part of patience. If you have got patience, you understand the market, you know that the market always recover, especially the stock market, and we always make higher highs in the various plays that we're in. So right now, some folks are on the sideline. They say, you know what? I'm going to play in the middle. I'm just going to hold. I'm not going to buy anything new. I'm not going to sell, but I'm just getting ready to put my portfolio in park. I'm going to hold. I'm going to ride it out. Uh, if we go down, we go down. But if we pump and go up, then I got my position. I'm set, but I'm not putting any more money into the market. I understand it. I get it. So there's a few different ways that you can play that. And then altcoin season. Folks are saying, I'm tired of hearing about altcoin season. We keep talking about altcoin season. Nothing is happening. Well, like I mentioned, last summer we saw Bitcoin was flat, trading sideways, and was boring. And folks was complaining, when is the pop going to come? When is the pump going to come? And then after 3 months of boringness, boom, we shot to the top. Patience is very important. Right now, we have been dealing with a lot of volatility to the downside over the past month and a half, but it seemed like it's been way longer than that. But only been a month and a half. We've been seeing a lot of dips, a lot of selling pressure, so forth and so on. So, but just as fast as it flipped and it went down, it could do the same thing in the upper direction. We're $82,000, $83,000 right now. Tomorrow, the day after that, we could be back in the $90,000 range. And then what will they be doing? They'll be finding some news headline to make sense of it. They'll say, oh, because of this was signed, the market went up. Oh, because of this ceasefire, the market went up. They will always find some news headline. The CPI data did this, so the market went up. They'll always find some news headline to justify which way the market is moving, rather it's moving up or rather it's moving down. So, but I understand and I believe that the Bitcoin cycle is locked in. It has not been broken, and that timer, when Mr. Satoshi set that doggone 4-year cycle Bitcoin timer, I think that thing has been and will continue to be undefeated as far as how it continues to run. Regardless, for the most part, of what's going on around it, that cycle continues to push based on that 4-year timer. So in saying all that, I don't think the 4-year cycle have been broken. That's my opinion. Everybody have different opinions. So hearing a lot of folks say altcoin season, where is it? Did we miss altcoin season? Was altcoin season the so-called baby altcoin season? January 2024 through March 2025. Was the cycle interrupted? Did it end early? Did the cycle flip on us? Those are some of the things I'm hearing. But we did see Bitcoin get higher than it was in March 2024. We saw Bitcoin hit $100,000 in December. That's another thing you got to take a look at. Did we see the double top like we saw in 2021? In April 2021, we saw $65,000. In November 2021, boom, it went back to 60, hit $69,000, and then the old bear market kicked in. So in December 2024, we saw Bitcoin hit $105,000, $106,000. The month later, in January 2025, Bitcoin hit $108,000 and $109,000. Was that the double top that is comparable to the 2021 double top? $106,000 one month, boom. The next month, $109,000, then boom, we're right back down to $76,000, $77,000. Was that the top of the bull market? Those are some of the questions that people are asking. Was that the top that's similar to 2021? So, but what I'm standing on the 4-year cycle. I think that we still got a lot more time to run up. This right here is just another blip on the radar as far as a correction, 25%, 30% correction. And like I say, when the emotional sentiments kick in, when Bitcoin is getting beat down, the market is getting beat down like there are right now, A lot of folks are very quick to say this is a bear market. This is over. We should have did this. We should have did that. And then these same folks, as soon as the market start pumping, Bitcoin might be up 8% one day. Ethereum might pop and do 12% in one day. These same folks are going to say, well, you know what? We're in the bull market. $115,000, here we come. So you really got to be careful who you listening to and the things that you are paying attention to. Trust your strategy because you're the CEO. You're going to have nobody to hold accountable but you. Do as much research as you can, do much homework as you can. Go with your gut instincts. You are the CEO of your own portfolio. This is your investment journey, but in my opinion, I think we still got a long ways to go through 2025, understanding that all we need is that good window of 2 to 3 months to where we can see altcoins really start to pump. Fear and greed index is at 25 right now. Man, when the fear and greed index get to greed or even get to 55 or 60, man, folks are going to be really having bullish momentum and bullish talks. They're, these days are going to be forgotten about. Just like when we were in January, we were at $109,000. The bear market and the corrections, they were forgotten about. Nobody was talking about the dips. But, you just got to understand, stay even keel. When the market is getting low like it is right now, don't get too low. Don't get too discouraged. And the same thing, when the market get up, you don't want to get too high. You don't want to get too bullish. 2025, we will be taking profits. Whenever we see extreme greed, we're going to be scaling back, taking money off the top. When get back to fear, extreme fear, we'll have some dry powder on the side. We'll be able to put some money back on some of the plays that we like if we choose to get back in the market. Some folks will be scaling out completely in 2025. Each pump, they may scale out 25%. Wait till the fear come down, won't put no more money in. Wait till the greed come back, let me scale out another 25%. So there's a few different ways that you can play it. For 2025, we're expecting 2025 to still be bullish. We're still expecting that parabolic trend to happen. Once that happens, exponential gains will be made. A lot of the coins that we still gonna see the 5x, 10x plays. Some plays will do 15, 20x and so forth because altcoins will pump and shoot again. Meme coins will have its day on the platform again. Still got a long way, still got a lot more juice in this 2025 Bitcoin bull market. So we're just kicking back. We're going to play our portfolio accordingly. Continue to watch the various indicators. Continue to watch the charts. Watching how the stock market, the S&P 500 is playing. Watching what's going on in the Oval Office. A lot of ETFs are on the table. There's a lot of things that are in store and happening for altcoins. Those 5 altcoins that the president mentioned a few weeks ago was mentioned for a reason. Do we know what the reason is right now? No, we do not. But it will be revealed. Don't forget about those 5 altcoins. XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Those were the 5 that the president of the free world mentioned just a few weeks ago. He could have mentioned any altcoins in the world. He could have mentioned the Trump meme coin. Those are the 5 he mentioned. He mentioned those for a reason, in my opinion. So, like I say, come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community who love to talk about crypto all day, every day. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.